In the silence between two blades, legends are reborn. Microsoft has just unleashed a new weapon, not in Ninja Gaiden 4 itself, but in your hands. Two new Xbox controllers forged in the fire of one of gaming's most brutal franchises. As Ninja Gaiden 4 prepares to strike on October 21st, Microsoft and Team Ninja are celebrating with exclusive Xbox Design Lab editions, each one a tribute to mastery, precision, and power. Available only through the Design Lab, these controllers fuse Japanese artistry with cutting-edge performance. Every detail tells a story. The blue katana, the red blade, the manga-inspired prints that blend myth with modernity. And because this is Xbox Design Lab, you control the design. Customize metallic triggers, swap D-pad styles, fine-tune color accents. Make your controller as lethal as the ninjas who inspired it. 2 editions, 1 legacy. The standard Xbox wireless controller starting at $94.98, or the Elite Series 2, a true warrior's choice, complete with adjustable tension sticks, trigger locks, and pro-level performance for $184.98. Both built for Xbox Series X and S and PC, both ready to channel your inner Hayabusa. This isn't just a controller. It's a tribute to endurance, precision, and honor. A bridge between the old master and the new blood. With every swing, every strike, and every parry, you hold the spirit of Ninja Gaiden itself. The blades are drawn, the shadows are stirring, and the next chapter in Ninja Gaiden is almost here. Claim your controller now, before the battle begins. Because in the world of ninjas, timing is everything.